This is a quick video to show you how to use the pre-assigned participants in breakout rooms. There is a Zoom Help Center. If you go into the Help Center and you search out the pre-assigned, what I want to do is show you down in here. You'll notice there's a pre-assigning participants in a breakout room. It tells you how to do it. You basically schedule a meeting, you enable it, and make sure that you allow others to join before the host, and then you import. It'll ask you to go in and import CVS. Problem is that before you do that, you need to have that CVS. So you should first download, import the CVS file, and take a look at what that file looks like. And that file looks like this. It's a very simple file that has a pre-assigned room. You do not change this, and the email, do not change that. But you go down here, you can name these any room name you want to give them, room 1 2 3 4, or room A B C D, or whatever, and then put an email of the person you want in that room. And you build this list, and when you're done with it, you save it. You save file, and you save as, and you make sure you save it as a CVS file. Okay, so that's how that is done. So once you've got that file done ahead of time, now what you need to do is go to your Zoom, and in your Zoom, once you've logged in for into your back office, the first thing you need to do is go to Settings in Zoom and scroll down about a little over halfway down through the system, and you're going to find a section about advanced meetings right after the whiteboard section, in Meeting Advanced. And down below here, there is a section for breakout room. Right here, right below it says breakout room. You need to turn this switch on. After you turn that switch on, you need to click on Allow to assign participants to the breakout rooms when scheduling, and then save it. Once you've done that, you've turned this on, you can now schedule a meeting. When you schedule a meeting, as you normally do, you fill out your information, but what you will notice is on the bottom, you now have a way to pre-assign breakout room. So remember what they said. First, you must enable join before host, and you probably are not going to want to use the enable waiting room. Just want to let the people come in and join, because they're going to get split into their own rooms. And then make sure that you check the breakout room pre-assign. When you do, it's going to pop up this little thing that says you can import a CVS. Click on Import CVS, and it's going to ask you to drag and drop or browse for that file that you created. We need to go to My File System, to Downloads, and there is the file right here, the breakout room CVS. Wherever you've saved it, you drag it into the CVS file, and it'll bring up room 1, 2, and 3, and you'll notice that it's got the people and participants, and you can add them at that time and then save them prior to starting the video. And you're done. You save it. Thank you.